So I'm making this trade recap from the trade I took Monday, the 17th, yesterday. Took a short on Bitcoin, and I'm quickly going to explain why I took this short. And as you can see, it worked out. So you can see the chart I have on my screen here. Let's first mark out New York Open at 9:30 here. We took out Asian session low pre-market, so I was a bit hesitant on taking a short for today because Bitcoin is in a big sell-off and we could have gotten a bounce, but I stayed technical. Pre-market, you can see we're on the 1 minute chart, by the way, and these are London highs and Asia highs. I marked them all out before New York Open starts. You can see at market open that we immediately went up and took out Asia session highs and London session highs. So basically in the first around 10 minutes we both took them out, so there was a clear sign of manipulation, taking off the highs, taking out the highs, even putting an SFP. So I was waiting for my entry to go short. I wanted to see a 1 minute break of structure basically. So here you can see we just had a quick retracement, high, low, high, low, high. Here was the market structure break. I also use this fair value gap. On this market structure break, we also inverse this fair value gap. The signs were clear that we were going lower based on my bias. After the inverse of the fair value gap, I immediately went short. I didn't even test my entry again, and we just grinded lower and eventually took out these lows before eventually selling off even more. So could have gotten a better take profit, but I was happy with my trade I took. It was the right idea. Never even panicked, to be real, because we just went straight down, and I think it just was the perfect trade setup. So why did I want to go short today? Fairly easy. I was looking at the hourly chart. The hourly bearish, 4 hour still bearish, just a retest. 12 hour also never made a new high. The daily also in the downtrend. So I think this was a fairly easy setup to take. I just scaled down on the lower time frame for my entry and fairly quick into market open, New York market open. I found my entry on a 1 minute chart and shorted. I made 1.1 thousand around that. So I was fairly happy. I could have taken it lower. As you see today, we're even going lower on Bitcoin. It's just selling off. But I was happy with my trade for the day, and I hope today will go good as well. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to follow me on my trading journey. So if you got any questions, you can always leave a comment. I will see them. And I hope we can learn something together. Thank you.